The 23-quart pressure canner and cooker with pressure gauge is a versatile and reliable kitchen tool designed to ensure safe, efficient, and precise pressure cooking and canning. Featuring a 10 psi pressure gauge, this extra-large 23-quart capacity canner allows you to process a large amount of food at once, making it ideal for preserving fruits, vegetables, meats, and other foods. Equipped with an explosion-proof safety valve. The 23-quart pressure canner and cooker with pressure gauge is a versatile and reliable kitchen tool designed to ensure safe, efficient, and precise pressure cooking and canning. Featuring a 10 psi pressure gauge, this extra-large 23-quart capacity canner allows you to process a large amount of food at once, making it ideal for preserving fruits, vegetables, meats, and other foods. Equipped with an explosion-proof safety valve. Large capacity for bulk canning and cooking. The 23-quart size of this pressure canner and cooker offers an extra-large capacity that allows you to process large batches of food at once. This is particularly useful for preserving seasonal fruits and vegetables, canning meats, or preparing large family meals. Whether you're preparing jars of tomatoes, pickles, or soups, the spacious interior can easily accommodate multiple jars or larger cuts of meat, thanks to its generous size. This pressure gauge for precise control. One of the standout features of this pressure canner is the 10 psi pressure gauge. Precise pressure control is essential for safe and effective canning and cooking, especially when you're processing low-acid foods. The built-in pressure gauge allows you to monitor the internal pressure of the canner, ensuring that it stays within the safe and recommended range for various types of food. The 10 psi setting is perfect for home canning, as it aligns with common explosion-proof safety valve for peace of mind. Safety is always a primary concern when it comes to pressure cooking and canning. The explosion-proof safety valve is a key feature of this canner that offers an extra layer of protection. This valve is designed to automatically release excess pressure if it reaches unsafe levels, preventing the risk of accidents or explosions. The explosion-proof safety valve works by keeping the internal pressure of the canner in check, even if you're cooking on day. Ideal for home canning enthusiasts and professional chefs, this 23-quart pressure canner and cooker is perfect for both home canning enthusiasts and professional chefs. Home canners will appreciate the large capacity, precise pressure control, and added safety features that make it easier to preserve a variety of foods year-round. Professional chefs or anyone who enjoys cooking large meals will find the extra-large capacity invaluable for preparing meals for large groups. Conclusion: the 23-quart pressure canner and cooker with pressure gauge 10 psi explosion-proof safety valve is a top-tier appliance that brings together functionality, safety, and convenience in one compact yet powerful tool. Its large capacity, precise pressure control, and safety features make it an indispensable kitchen companion for anyone serious about canning or pressure cooking.